Hey guys, I am Ashwali and I am going to show you how you can connect custom domain. So you have to write your domain here and connect, connect. Yeah, and see on the virtual dashboard that it is connected, but invalid configuration. You have to add these things. You have to add here in your domain private DNS setting. You can add record like @ type. You can see here what is the type A and 76.76.2121 type A. You can give any minute and 76.76.2121 and you have to save it, and you have to add one more record from here. You have to add this basically this cname, type cname www, type if you write cname www and give any value is this. Yeah, congratulations, your domain is connected now. Thanks.